So now Blue Gladiators setting fielding right now. Let's see, in the last match, Ashish has won the man of the match. Sharma ji. He did an excellent bowling, excellent fielding, and excellent batting as well. Check. So both the batsmen on the field now. We have the opening jodi, Jimit and Omkar. Jimit is on the strike, and on the second hand we have Omkar. Umpire calls. Let's begin the game. Jimit, best of luck for the batting. Okay, now, so first ball of the first inning after lunch. So we have Sujata on bowling. Sujata is the woman of the match of the last match. So now the team took one more run. One more run added in the team total of Roshania Warriors. Again, Jimit is on the strike. And they tried hard, but they will get only single run. So 3 balls gone of the first over. And it's a big white. So now Omkar on the strike. Oh, so Paresh has dropped the catch. Paresh has dropped the catch. Now again, the team will get one more run. And here, and MKG sixer by Jimit. Lovely shot. Okay, wow, nice ball. And I think Jimit is going to pavilion. So wicket. Sorry, guys. Sorry. Okay, now so Omkar on the strike. And we have the Nilesh on the bowling end. And white ball. One more extra run. Okay, now again Jimit is on the strike. And the big wide. Okay, so MKG sixer. Why Jimit? One more six. Amazing fielding by the bowler. Wide. Dot ball. Classic shot. But the fielder is there. No ball. So the team will get 2 runs. 1 extra run. Omkar on the strike now. Okay, it's a chance of run out, and I think got the wicket. Umpire calls run out, and we have the wicket sponsor CKNA. Chinmay Khatri. Oh wow, the team should dance. What an amazing start. Keeper is very happy. So now we have Ankit, right? We have Ankit on. A bit confusion. First wicket down of Rishania Warriors. Okay, now so we have Ankit on a strike, on non-striker end, and we have Omkar on the strike. Nilesh is doing bowling. And what an amazing shot. So after 2 overs, the team total is 23 runs for 1 wicket. After 2 overs, 23 runs, 1 wicket. So now on bowling we have Amit. And it's a classic shot. MKG sixer, you guys can cheer up. Come on. Batsman is trying hard. It's one more. One more MKG sixer by Omkar. And dot run, dot ball. Paresh bhai, thank you. The last ball was wide ball. DJ, can you increase the voice? Okay, now so 2 more balls left of this over. And now, Boom Boom Ankit is on a strike now. And he's hitting the ball while fielding. So one more ball left. Omkar is ready to face the next ball, the last ball of the third over. And now the team will get one more run, single run, on the sixth ball of the third over. So after 3 overs, the team score is 39 for 1. So now we have a very talented batting jodi. So now there's a confusion between players. So again, Omkar is ready to face the first ball of the fourth over. Ashok is in bowling. And, oh wow, nice bowling. And well played as well. They took a single on the first ball. Classic shot. But the team will get only one run, one more single run. So now Omkar is on a strike. And again MKG sixer by Omkar. What a great shot it was. Okay, so now one more run added to the total, and this is the fifth ball of the fourth over, and the captain is on the strike. Shot it! Amazing shot. Incredible. One more MKG sixer. And now the team total is 50 plus. 55. Oh wow, one more. MKG sixer. The captain is playing amazing inning. So after 4 overs, the score is 61 runs for 1 wicket. So now 4 more overs left of this inning. And one more good shot by Omkar. They took a run, single run. And we have Ashish on bowling. And now the no ball. Umpire call, no ball. Free hit. White ball. Okay. Now one more single run added to the team total. Rishania Warriors. The captain is playing amazing inning. Again now Omkar is on a strike. And got the wicket. So this again, Ashish got the wicket. And we have the wicket sponsors, CK&A. The bowling team is very happy, very excited after taking the wicket of Omkar. So Ashish broke this partnership. So now we have the Deepti on the strike. Deepti is on a strike and the captain is on a strike. Okay, now it's a chance of... Okay, it's a bit confusing, but both the players are safe. And okay, so catch dropped by Paresh. Deepti got 2 chances in 2 balls. And one more MKG sixer by the captain. So now after 5 overs, the team total is 72 runs for 2 wickets. So now 3 more overs left. And we have Mr. Rahul on bowling. Okay! What a sixer! Amazing MKG sixer by Deepti. This time she showed us what kind of talent she has. Amazing. Both the players are in the mood to hit sixes. And this time again, catch dropped by Paresh. Again, catch dropped by Paresh. Catches always helps you to win matches, but let's see. And here, Pinnacle 4 by the captain. Both the players are playing with a positive mood. They're hitting sixes, fours. Again, the captain hit the 6, but the other captain dropped the catch. This is the big no ball. And the batsman will get a free hit. And this is no ball and Pinnacle 4. Choka. And one more MKG sixer by the captain. Captain is hitting sixes, and till now they hit 5 sixes, 1 4, and 1 more. The team got lots of runs in this over. So this over can be the turning point of this match. After 6 overs, the team score is 107 for 2. And now this time Deepti missed the ball, but still they will take 1 more run. So 2 more overs left, 11 balls left in this inning. Again, oh, goalie pe shot, right? Goalie shot. And now we have Deepti on the strike. And 1 run, 1 more single run added to the total. 110 runs in 6.3 overs. No ball. Umpire calls. No ball. One more crazy shot White ball, one more extra run added to the team total. It's a catch, yeah. So wicket. Nilesh got the wicket of Deepti. And wicket is sponsor CKNA. So the next batsman is coming to take the strike. काश मैं कह पाता.
So Dashrath is on strike. And this is try to hit the ball, but Amit Solanki को दिख गया बॉल और पकड़ लिया है उन्होंने. So now Ankit on strike. Ashish is bowling. Ankit is a left-handed bowler, batsman. Sharma ji ka beta. And it's ground shot. Very good fielding by captain Chinmay. Brilliant fielding. The runs are pouring in. This is the last over. Already 113. And another try. No. Only one single run. Dashrath Darji is on strike. Mr. DD. And it is a good hit, but unfortunately only one run.
Okay, now again the captain is on the strike. He's hitting. He believes in sixes and fours. So Pinnacle 4, once again. The captain believes only in sixes and fours. He's hitting back-to-back sixes, fours. Okay, this time the team will not get the run. Amazing fielding. Okay, now so 2 runs. Okay, no, it's run out. Captain got run out. We have the wicket sponsor, CKNA. So now the team total is 120 for 4 in 8 overs. And now the other team will come for batting after 2 minutes. If Blue Gladiators wants to win this match, they need to hit 121 runs in 48 balls. It is a very huge target to achieve, but let's see. They have a good team, they have good players, they have good batsmen. Scorecard, please. Scorecard. Batsman scorecard. Okay. So Ankit made 55 runs in 21 balls. Jimit made 15 runs in 8 balls. Deepti made 10 runs in 7 balls. And Omkar made 27 runs in 15 balls. Brilliant batting by the team. They hit 120 runs in 8 overs. So now, Rishania Warriors is making strategy. So let's see which team gonna win this match. This match gonna be very tough because the target is very huge. If the other team wants to win this match, they need to hit 120 runs in 48 balls. So Rushania Warriors all set? The Sania Warriors all set? Yep. Music. So now the captain, Chinmay is on the strike. Again, Ashish is taking the non-strike.
Hello. Check.
So now both the teams are ready to take this match ahead.
अरे ले ले चिन्मय is on strike. मैं भी बोलूं भाई मुझे रोकेगा क्यों आओ आपके बाजू में नहीं नहीं ठीक है What do you think? It's a brilliant match. 120 runs. First ball played well.
So now Ankit,
Good bowling by Ankit.
both the captains.
Misfielding. Bharat Bhai is not doing well.
So now both the captains are facing each other.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh. It's a big
And
appeal.
appeal.
It's a big appeal. Let's see.
I think Abhishek Katre is overreacting, I suppose. Good
Okay,
shot and superb. Very well fielded by Sunny.
Great.
Sunny boy. It was a no ball. It's a free hit. Captain to captain. Superb shot at 6.
It's MKG 6. So.
MKG sixer, yes.
Okay, now
Again a
so both the
shot, but I
captains.
think it's 1 run only.
Yeah, the team will get one more run.
It's 1 run, cheeky run. Wow. They need runs desperately. It's one big total, 121 to win. It's already 5 balls.
But this Jodi is very talented. They
Yeah.
can hit runs.
Ashish Sharma on strike. He's a right-handed batsman. Sir Regent Travel, Jimmy Tora is bowling.
It's
Ooh,
full
it was a full
toss.
toss ball.
And then no ball.
It's a no ball.
Umpire calls no ball.
It's a free hit for Ashish.
Again,
Bowled, but no ball.
no ball.
Missed the ball. Free hit continues. Oops. Sunny boy is a good fielder. New arrival in excellence. Oh, it was a catch. It was a and Abhishek Katre again overreacting. See, again he's laughing. It's a wide ball.
One more run added to the team total.
It was a wide ball, but it's 6.
No ball.
No ball. No
no
ball.
ball.
Sorry, it was a no ball. And it's a 6-7 runs. Brilliant
And-
shot. Brilliant shot. It was 4 runs. 6.
6. So
बहुत सारा
after
शोर. It was 4.
4 runs.
Umpire declared 4 runs. Wait. Chinmay is getting ready. Lot of things depends on Chinmay. I think he's a very good player.
Chinmay is ever ready.
Yeah, we expect a huge score.
Four
And
runs.
it's 4 runs. Oh, misfielding by Captain Ankit. अब यहाँ हिंदी और अंग्रेजी पे वार्तालाप चालू है. कोई अंग्रेजी बोलता है, कोई हिंदी बोलता है, और दोनों नहीं समझ पा रहे क्या बोल रहे हैं. और ये शर्मा जी ने ट्राई किया लेकिन झोल हो गया. 2 ओवर की समाप्ति. 29 रन. द टारगेट इज 121 रन. दे नीड ह्यूज सिक्सेस.
More 92 runs in 36 balls.
Yes. Very good ball. बाहर की तरफ गिरती हुई और विकेट की तरफ आती हुई. चिन्मय played well. और ये लगा दिया छक्का.
MKG sixer. One more.
MKG sixer.
One more. By captain. I'm not missing you. I'm not missing you.
This was, yes, but it was a no ball. Yes, it is a no ball.
No ball.
It was out, but no ball. Free hit for Chinmay. Wide.
Wide.
Chinmay played sensibly, left the ball. Ooh, again wide. Ball अंदर की तरफ घुसती हुई. Side change कर दिया over the wicket. और ये
And one more
छक्का.
sixer.
बहुत आराम से खेला चिन्मय ने. Straight shot. और
MKG
ये
sixer.
MKG sixer. और again try to hit 6, but yes, chance of run out, but comfortably in. Chinmay. Ashish Sharma on strike. Dashrath Jarji.
So now
Played कर दिया, push कर दिया एक रन के लिए.
single run. So now Chinmay is on the strike.
Again push कर दिया एक रन के लिए. They are rotating the strike, but now we need runs. 6
Big
and
runs.
4s. Big runs. This was a good over actually. It's a 47 runs only after 3 overs. Dipti is a left-handed bowler. और ये 4 runs. No. 4 नहीं है. It is not 4. हमारा जो भी है यार, तुम आ जाओ तो बच्चे देखने के लिए. और ये oops.
One more.
Sunny Boy dropped the catch and it's 6.
One more MKG sixer.
MKG sixer. Wide ball.
Chinmay is playing very aggressively.
Yes,
He
Chinmay is
really
looking
wants
for
to
big
win
shots.
this match.
Tried to hit, but only one run. I think the batsman must be banking on this over, ladies over. They want to hit sixes, make the most. And it's four.
And this time, Pinnacle Chokka.
Pinnacle Chokka.
मचाएगा.
आशीष मारना चाहते थे सिक्स, लेकिन बस एक रन मिलेगा उनको. दीप्ति का ओवर बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. Against the expectation of, and it's
And
six.
one more. 6-0.
And it's SKG, MKG sixer.
MKG 6-0. So please.
So final score is 66. Still halfway to go. 4 overs. 55 runs need from 24 balls. आशीष शर्मा थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा खेलते हैं. चेक कर लेना बॉल बाय बॉल. बॉल बाय चेक.
Now the keeper change.
Strategy. Captain
Keeper
is
change.
keeping. And it's wide.
White ball.
Katre is overreacting. Again. Push. It could be a chance of run out.
Oh.
Brilliant chance. Again he is overreacting. And now Katre to Khatri. And it's 6.
Okay, it's once again MKG 6-0.
Overreaction का absolute superb reaction.
So Chinmay hit 50 runs.
Super. Chinmay.
And one more 6.
One more 6. Chinmay.
MKG 6-0.
MKG sixer.
सबको पता है. And one more.
And 6.
One more MKG 6-0.
Superb. Hat-trick sixes. This is what needed.
It's a hat trick of 6, right? Yeah.
और एक चौका. Brilliant. Pinnacle चौका. Wide ball. Well left.
So I think this is the turning point.
I think so. Oh, and it's ball. Super brilliant.
Okay, the
And Katre is
this
reacting, overreacting. He is happy.
Wow, amazing.
Yes, he is showing me
Celebration
that
going
I
on.
am the man. Yes, I can see that. You are overreacting, but your overreaction is superb. He took the wicket, very important wicket.
Celebration starts.
कात्रे
So
ने
now-
दिखा दिया कि मेरा ओवर रिएक्शन क्या हो सकता है. It can be lethal.
The captain did his job properly. Now,
कात्रे के चेहरे पे हंसी, चश्मा साफ करते हुए. और ये जिमित काला चश्मा लगाते हुए पता नहीं किसकी तरफ देख रहे हैं. अब ये डांस भी करते हुए आ रहे हैं. एक खुशी की लहर दिख रही है सबके प्लेयर के बीच में जब चिन्मय जाने के बाद. पिंकी ब्यूटीज, somebody said that. किसी ने बोला, मैंने नहीं बोला.
bowled by Abhishek.
Abhishek Katre again. I mean wicket keeping. And Khatri is bowling. Bharat Bhai Khatri. एक खत्री अभी अभी गए, दूसरे खत्री आ गए.
So very big
और
responsibility
ये
on both the
और ये
batsmen.
सुपर फुल टॉस बॉल एंड इट्स 4 runs. It's
Vinekal Chauka. Yeah, right.
Superb fielding and it's
so
out.
this time.
Brilliant fielding by Masurkar. And it's out. यहाँ लोग ये
शर्मा
मैच
जी।
देखने की जगह पे जमीन पे लेटे हुए हैं, टीवी स्क्रीन की तरफ देख रहे हैं.
Sharma ji got out. Bharat. Bol by Bharat. नहीं, run out हुआ ना?
टाइटल स्पॉन्सर जमीन पे. और अब अमित उनको बॉल दिख रही है. नो बॉल.
No ball.
फ्री हिट. Brilliant
And
shot. It's 4 runs.
Vinekal
I
4.
think Amit is looking very aggressive today. Competitive भाई हमको बोला गया पीछे से. Oh!
Excellent
The
fielding.
catch dropped by Omkar. And it's 1 run.
But he saved the run.
Save the runs. Yes, 4 runs. They say 4 runs. Amruta is on strike. Khatri is bowling. Oh, miss the ball.
I think the team is missing
I
captain
think it's
right
over.
now.
It's 6 overs gone. Only 2 overs remaining. "12 balls, 19 runs.
19 runs.
I think they can win. It's an interesting match right now. Amit Solanki is on strike. Amit Solanki looking aggressive, looking at the players, and Aniket Deliwala speaking to overreacting Katre. बड़ी बातें हो रही है. पिंकी सब बाजू बाजू में आ गए. And now I think the pink ones are looking confident. Katre is again on bowling. He's a wicket taker. अमित सोलंकी ने बोल दिया रुक जाओ. है क्या हो रहा है? और ये मारने की कोशिश लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली नो रन्स, नो बॉल. लेकिन and a shot, superb shot and superb fielding by captain Ankit Deliwala. No runs, no runs. Ooh, Yorker ball for overreacting Abhishek Katre.
Now he's not reacting.
No runs again. Abhishek Katre is successful, restricting the. Oh, and it's missed. It was a catch. Solanki is getting frustrated there, and Abhishek Katre is happy about it. Good bowling by Abhishek Katre. And no runs again. Oh, they run. Oh, they missed. Abhishek Katre again overreacted. Cannot catch the ball. अभिषेक कात्रे ओ बोल्ड. अभिषेक कात्रे की बॉलिंग आज तो कमाल ढा दी. इनकी ओवर में सिर्फ 2 रन मिले शायद. एंड दिस इज लास्ट ओवर आई सपोज. लास्ट बॉल.
Last
Is
over.
it over? Last over. 6 balls, 17 runs.
So now captain is taking the charge of the last over. And if the batting team wants to win this match, they need to hit 17 runs in
Amit
6
Sol-
balls.
Batsman is Monish Shah. New batsman is Monish Shah. Ankit Deliwala is on bowling. अमित सोलंकी, अंकित डेलीवाला. टाइम पास करते ना, माहौल एकदम गर्म. और ये उन्होंने ठोक दिया है, लेकिन नहीं. ओनली 1 run. They need 6. They need really a 6. Monish. And it's wide ball. Each and every run is important. Each and every run. 5 balls, 15 runs. Ooh, miss. Very good bowling by Ankit Deliola. माहौल में सन्नाटा. अंकित ने होल दिया. और ये मोनिश खाली घुमा रहे हैं बैट को, लेकिन बॉल बल्ले पे आई नहीं. बल्ला कहीं, बॉल कहां. और नाउ 3 बॉल 15 रन. एंड ठोका है 4 रन के लिए.
4 runs.
4 runs.
This is Pinnacle Chowka.
Pinnacle चौका. Pinnacle इज बॉलिंग. उन्हीं की बॉलिंग पे उनके ही चौके पड़ रहे हैं. 2 balls. कोशिश अच्छी थी, लेकिन ओनली 1 रन.
And now
आई थिंक लास्ट बॉल. कितना रन चाहिए लास्ट बॉल पे? 10 रन चाहिए. और ये वाइड. दे आर प्रेइंग फॉर अ फ्री हिट और अ नो बॉल. और ये कोशिश अच्छी थी,
And
लेकिन
now-
अमित सोलंकी कुछ नहीं कर पाए. पिंक वाले जीत गए. शानिया वास्तु.
what an end of this very exciting match. Both the teams played really
Regent
amazing.
and Ishania Vastu, they won.
They tried hard.
Very good match. Thank you, Abhishek, for entertaining us. Thank you.
Thank you, you too, sir.